My name is Frank Lima, and I'm the president of United Firefighters of Los Angeles City, also a 24-year veteran and captain with the LA City Fire Department. And I'm here to clarify Mr. Malon from LA Rick's comments in that UFLAC has written multiple letters in opposition to the Public Safety Chairman Mitchell Englander, Mayor Garcetti, and Council President Herb Wesson. And we continue to be opposed to this project, and that is why we are here in support with our brothers and sisters from Local 1014. We are not comfortable that the project included a CEQA waiver. CEQA exists for a reason, and this project should have been subject to our state's environmental regulations. I want to be clear once again that UFLAC supports Local 1014, opposes the LA Ricks putting poles up where we live and spend 1/3 of our lives at the firehouses. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
Some points to make. We can opt out and we can go to a wired program that will be absolutely safe, one using phone lines rather than this wireless program that's being pushed down our throats by the FCC that is led by the wireless industry and their representatives. This is an important fact. The other thing, comparing it to smoking is very appropriate. Studies for wireless have actually shown tumor growth in 10 to 15 years. The average tumor growth for a smoker is 30 years. So we're talking about something 2 to 3 times as carcinogenic as cigarette smoke, and we're involuntarily exposing our population to it 24 hours a day. This doesn't seem wise at all. We need to stop ignoring the research and start taking care of our people. We need you to represent us. The wireless industry is well represented in government and uses its money. We need you to represent us and fight for our health and well-being. Let's be the city we are that fights for initiatives, that takes care of the health of our citizens, that does the right thing, and says no to the money and says yes to the health and well-being of our citizens. This is what we need to do, and this is what I'm asking you to do.
Thank you, sir.